Dear students, myself Ashok Kumar Vishal, lecturer mechanical, Government Polytechnic Gajapati. Today my topic of discussion is impact of jet. The subject is fluid mechanics, chapter 7 for mechanical engineering students, first semester. So I will before discussing detail into the subject, I will focus on explain the term impact and the jet. What is impact? What is jet? The term. So all of you have studied mechanics in your first year, during your first year. So in mechanics you know what is force. So force is an external agent. So by application of which a body can change its state. Suppose a duster is a body, is on the table. You apply some force, little force on the body or the duster is not moving. Then you go on increasing the force, so the duster will start moving. So you applying force, a body is changing its state. So a moving body comes to rest by application of force, or a body at rest will move by application of force. So next is impact. What is impact? So suppose a body is falling from some certain height, or a body is giving impact or colliding on another body. So this gives impact on the body. Sudden impact, when the one body is striking on another body, it gives impact. So what is the measurement of force? So force is measured by second law of motion, Newton's second law of motion. That means rate of change of momentum. So rate of change of momentum, that means mass, momentum is mass into change of velocity. Change of velocity in x direction. Suppose the body is moving in x direction, so the force in x direction is measured by mass into change of velocity. So force equation is Fx equal to mass into del Vx, or total weight of the body is Wc, acceleration due to gravity g into Vx. This is equation number 1. Under this equation we can derive the impact of jet. Next, the point is jet. What do you mean by jet? नीतिदिनिया घटना पर गोटे नजर पकईबी प्राय तुम पिला सब गाड़ी चढ़ुव वेहिकल मोटरसाइकिल पुओ पिला मोटरसाइकिल चढ़ुव झील पिला स्कूटी के जन भी कार चढ़ुव किंतु गोटे एक्सपीरियंस तो मन पका मडी सीजन रेनी सीजन रे तुम मनकर वेहिकल मूव कर गोटे कच्चा रास्ता से कच्चा रास्ता रेनी सीजन रे कच्चा रास्ता वेहिकल मूव कर आसिले कौन हो तुम वेहिकल कादुआ हो जाऊँ से कादुआ तुम केमी सफा कर से वेहिकल केमी सफा कर ना तुम निजे सफा कर तुम ग्यारेज को जाऊच सर्विस स्टेशन को जाऊच सर्विस स्टेशन में सर्विस बॉय कौन कर गोटे पाइप नहीं कि पाइप नहीं कि आसला से पाइप मोटर जो पंप लगी रेसिप्रोकेटिंग पंप से पंप स्विच ऑन कले सो फ्लूइड और वाटर अंडर हाई प्रेशर फ्लो थ्रू द पाइपलाइन फ्रॉम द पाइपलाइन एट द एंड ऑफ द पाइपलाइन देयर इज ए nozzle is fitted. This one is a nozzle, this one is pipe. Suppose pipe diameter is D, so nozzle diameter is, suppose this is capital D, nozzle diameter is small d. So the water, stream of water coming out of the nozzle is known as jet. So this is water jet. If water is flowing through the pipe, that is water jet. water jet. So our topic is impact of jet. That means impact of jet, that means this is a force. So different types of force you have studied in mechanics. So pull force, push force, action force, reaction force. So duster is the action on the table. Duster is action on the table. So the table gives reaction on the duster. So action and reaction. So the body is at rest. You are applying force. So the body is moving. Similarly, suppose your vehicle is muddy. Some foreign particles are sticking to your body of the vehicle. So the garage boy, when is directing the pipe towards the vehicle surface, then the vehicle surface gets cleaned. बर्तमान गाड़ी केमी सफा है तुम गाड़ी मतलब सफा है कि नहीं तुम मोटरसाइकिल हो कि कार हो सफा है ना जो वाटर अच्छी पाइप थ्रू रे फ्लो होची अंडर हाई प्रेशर the water is flowing through the pipeline under high pressure. That pressure energy is converted to kinetic energy. That pressure energy is converted to kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy with high velocity, the water is striking the surfaces of the vehicle. Then the vehicle surface is clean. तुम तो किसी फोर्स अप्लाई करना था तुम बस गैरेज बॉय डायरेक्शन दौची पाइपटा को डायरेक्शन दो विभिन्न डायरेक्शन बोलाऊँच तेणु तुम वेहिकल सरफेस सफा हो तेणु बर्तमान आम इम्पैक्ट ऑफ जेट जाने दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ फोर्स सो व्हेन द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द नजल इज ए conical body hydraulic device like this. So this end is connected to the pipeline, this end through this end water is flowing or any fluid is flowing. So if water is flowing, that is water jet, free jet. The pressure of water is here atmospheric. But the kinetic energy or velocity is too high. So due to this high velocity, the surface of the vehicle is clean. Next, we will study impact of jet. Impact means the force of jet. So the as per the definition, the liquid comes out in the form of a jet from the outlet of a nozzle, which is fitted to a pipe through which the liquid is flowing under pressure. So I have already given the example for a garage boy. So the objects or the plates in front of the jet may be in different position. The plate may be in vertical position, the plate may be in inclined position, the plate may be curved one. So the plate may be stationary or the plate may be moving. So first you discuss the plate is vertical. So in case of vertical plate, the jet is striking. This is fixed plate. So diameter of the nozzle is D. Let diameter of the nozzle is D. Velocity of water flowing through the nozzle or issuing from the nozzle is capital V. After striking on the surface of the plate, vertical plate, it is divided into two parts. One part upward direction and the downward direction. So the velocity is V. So the jet is striking the plate. So it impacts some force. It imparts some force on the plate. So what is the force? So area of the nozzle is pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square. So force equation you know Fx equal to mass or weight of the body is water mass is W. W divided by G into change of velocity. This is equation. From this equation we can calculate what is the force imparted by the jet on the plate. So Fx. Now we calculate the mass of water. Mass of water striking per second equal to density of the water. Density of water is rho into volume of water equal to A into B. Area of cross section of the jet into velocity of the jet issuing from the nozzle. So next Fx, force in the direction of the jet equal to mass into change of velocity mass into change of velocity. So mass equal to rho A B. So initial velocity minus final velocity. Initial velocity of the jet is V. Final velocity of the jet when it strikes the vertical plate is 0 in x direction. This is the motion of the jet in x direction. So final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is V. So force is rho A V minus 0 equal to rho A V square. This is the force imparted by the jet on the plate. So what is the work done? So work done by the jet equal to Fx into motion of the plate. Plate motion is 0 here. Plate is not moving, plate is stationary. So the work done in this case is 0. Work done in this case is 0. So here the difference of velocity is final velocity, initial velocity minus final velocity, because the final velocity is 0. If the difference is final velocity minus initial velocity, then the force will be negative, opposite direction. That means the reaction of the plate. So action and reaction both are same. So in this topic, impact of jet, we have application of the 3 laws of motion. One first law, second law, third law. First law, second law, third law. Because the both action and reaction are same. This is third law of the motion. So next case, let us study if the plate is moving. The case 2. This is the pipeline through which fluid or water under high pressure is flowing. That high pressure is converted to kinetic energy or high velocity while the water is flowing through the nozzle. Then the high velocity jet strikes the plate. This plate is moving with a velocity u, suppose constant velocity u in one direction, in x direction, continuously moving. So the relative velocity of the jet will be v minus u, and it will live with the same velocity v minus u. Here mass calculation. Mass of water striking per second, mass of water striking per second will be relative velocity. Next, relative velocity of water jet equal to V minus U. Relative velocity of water is V minus U. Next, mass of water striking per second. Mass per second equal to density rho A into V minus U. While the fluid is flowing, fluid is striking a moving vein. So rho is density of the fluid, rho A V minus U. So force imparted by the jet on the plate equal to Fx equal to mass into change of velocity. Initial velocity minus final velocity. So this is equal to rho A V minus U. Initial velocity is V minus U. Final velocity is 0 when the jet just strike the plate. Is 0. The final velocity is 0. So the force in this case is rho A V minus U whole square. Rho A V minus U whole square. So work done in this case, work done per second equal to force into U. Displacement of the vertical plate in x direction. So that's efficiency of the system will be work done. Efficiency of the system will be work done per second divided by kinetic energy supplied by the jet. What is the kinetic energy by the jet? What is the kinetic energy supplied by the jet? So kinetic energy, formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. Kinetic energy for the jet is half mv square. V is absolute velocity of the jet. So mass multiplied mass half rho A V square. This is mass into V square. So this is kinetic energy equal to half rho A V cube. So divide with work, you will give the efficiency. But this case discuss whether this case is practicable. Whether the case discussed, that means the plate is moving continuously in x direction. I say this case is not practicable. This is a theoretical one. Why? Because the plate is continuously moving in x direction. Basing on this theory, we can construct different hydraulic machines, turbines, etc. Suppose one student X. Suppose a student X. Student X holds the plate. Student X holds the plate, and student Y holds the jet. And student X धरछि प्लेट टाकू कंटिन्यूअसली गोटे पढ़ियार मान प्रैक्टिकल क्लास रे एमती पिला पचारछन्ती काहेकि एटा हबनी प्रैक्टिकल मु सेति पय गोटे एग्जांपल दउछि गोटे स्टूडेंट धरला प्लेट एवं एक्स डायरेक्शन रे दौड़िला पड़िया रे आ गोटे स्टूडेंट ता पछरे जेट टाकू धरके भी दौड़ुछि सेही एक्स डायरेक्शन रे से कहछि हम बुलिबु नाही बुलिया ने एटा डिस्कशन होछि केवल एक्स डायरेक्शन रे बुलिया पाए एक्स डायरेक्शन रे both the student should run before that means the jet will follow the plate, moving plate in x direction, which is not possible. That means आमर जो पड़िया अच्छी से बाउंड्री अच्छी बाउंड्री पर आउ कौन कौन सब अच्छी ऑब्जेक्ट बिल्डिंग अच्छी सो ता माने तमें कौन एक्स डायरेक्शन मु प्लेट जाऊँगी कि जेड जाऊँगी मतलब बाट छाड़ भांगीदेव कोठा भाड़ी भांगीदेव कि ना से प्राक्टिकल नुह यही थियोरी को धरिक मेसीन तैयारी केमी दि केस कैन बी सुइटेबली utilize if a number of similar plates or identical plates are mounted on the periphery of a wheel, and a jet will strike one of the plate. When the plate is moving, another plate takes the place of the outgoing plate, and the wheel is mounted, fitted or keyed to a shaft. Then we can get work. So this is the application of this case. So which will be discussed in next class, but the rough idea I will give. So this case is not practicable. How this case will be practicable? Suppose a water wheel. This is jet striking at one of the plate. The plate is moving with velocity u. The plate is moving with velocity u. So the jet is striking at the bottommost edge of the plate. So this plate is moving, and the another plate takes the place of the outgoing plate. So the wheel will rotate. The wheel is keyed to the shaft. The wheel is keyed to the shaft. So it will give, that means the hydraulic energy of jet can be converted to mechanical energy. Then if the shaft is connected to a generator, electrical generator, it will produce electricity. So this case is a practical case, which will be discussed in next class. But there are some questions relating these two cases. What do you mean by jet? So I have already told, the jet is a stream of water issuing from a nozzle with high kinetic energy or high velocity, that is known as jet. Next, derive the formula for impact of jet by considering a vertical plate. So this is the first case when the plate is fixed. So next is derive the expression for moving vertical plate in the direction of jet. So the moving plate, the second case. So classify the plate according to the condition of impact. So different position of the, according to position of the. So if you have any query in this subject, in this topic discussed, then contact me with my WhatsApp number or email me. This is a very important topic. So please watch the class and WhatsApp me if any doubt, because this topic before if you study very clearly in this topic, then it will be applicable for your machine parts, handling machines. So if you understood this topic very well, then you can study the other topics in your higher class, handling machines, etc. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील माने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे।
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा।